With these affiliate marketing tips, the sky's the limit. Working with an affiliate to sell products can be a great source of income, but only if you take the time to properly market their goods. To see success, you need to draw customers to your links, convince them to click them, and get them to buy the products they see. Here are a few tips that will help you do just that. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to check out the company's conversion rate. This is the proportion of site visitors that actually buy the product they're selling. A good site will have about a 1% conversion rate. A site with a low conversion rate isn't worth the effort you'll have to put out to direct traffic there. If you are just starting out as an affiliate marketer, you should attempt to keep your campaigns small by only going with one solid product. See if you have a knack for the game or not. If you begin to make commissions on products, then you can begin to expand your presence online. But keep it small to start. Review the reputation of the affiliate program you want to work with. Unfortunately, the world is filled with people running scams. There are affiliate programs out there that will avoid paying out commissions you've earned. They will close up shop and open up under another name. Work with companies that have a reputation for fairness. Before picking an affiliate marketing partner, you should visit their website to get a feel for their online business. Would you personally buy from their website? Is their website easy to use? Would visitors to your website feel good or bad about being directed to the advertiser? You can learn plenty about potential partners just by checking their site. Affiliate marketing takes a lot of work, but it also has a lot of rewards. The advice in this video should give you plenty of ways to make your relationship with your affiliates a profitable one. Putting a little extra effort into your marketing will help your wallet get a little bit fuller. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.